If your Microsoft Word document are not opening on your Windows 10 PC or laptop, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to fix the problem. First, open Windows settings. To do that, right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Apps from the left sidebar. Then select Installed Apps. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft Office. Once you find it, click on three-dot menu next to Microsoft Office and select Modify. A new window will appear. Select Quick Repair and then click Repair. When prompt, click Repair again to confirm. Now wait for the repair process to finish. This may take few minutes. Once the repair is complete, close the repair window and then close the setting window. Now try opening your Word document again. In most cases, the issue should be resolved. If the video helped you, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more window troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and you will see the next video.